Hey guys, Funky Kev here, and this is going to be my last update on my Xray. So I've done the electronics now. I've got the ESC, I've got the Xray SCT. I've got me 1900 motor in. I've soldered it all, got all my cables running through. I'm going to be putting my battery tray is going to go over here. Well, my receiver box to put all my cables in. And the only thing I've got left to do is, if anyone's got any comments, please let me know. But how to put my sensor cable, because I know it goes in here, down there, but what's the best way of actually putting it in without it touching the motor and affecting my servo arm? That's the last bit I've got to do, and I'm not sure where to run it safely. I've been thinking about, can it touch the motor? If it can, I've thought about putting it over this here, like that, maybe in the middle, and then going down like that. So if anyone's got any comments on the best way of putting me sensor cable, please let me know in the comments. But apart from that, I am up and running. My cables are, my servo and ESC are going to go down here into my box. We're going to go there, down into my box, which is going to be down here. They're away from me centered diff, because I've put them all there. So there's nothing on there. Power button is down there. So it's just a sensor cable I'm not sure about. So please let me know in the comments, and I will see you all next time.